What is going on, SHIB Army? It is Ahmed, and I am back today with yet another video for you all. And today we're going to talk about the overall cryptocurrency market and Shiba Inu, of course. Bitcoin testing that $46,000 mark, holding strong, up 20% nearly on the week. And I'm really happy with the gains that we have been seeing. Ethereum trying to break 3,200, well on its way to its all-time highs. So the overall global market is looking very, very good. Even Shiba Inu holding at 772 Satoshi units, so on the week up about 20% as well. So we've been looking really good, but we're trying to figure out what is the next best catalyst that's going to start creating even more of a buying pressure, because lately it seems like for the last few days we did see the spike, but now we've been consolidating for a few days, waiting for the next big run. So again, remember guys, my videos are not for financial advice, nor am I a financial advisor. Rather, I always try to put you guys on the plays that I'm in. And if you want to support the channel in any way, click the link in the description below for Webull. Get your 2 free stocks when you deposit $5. And also, there's a link down there for Patreon. If you want to get in on the plays as soon as we do, go ahead and click the link and join us on Patreon or the YouTube channel membership. Now, an article was released early yesterday, saying Shiba Inu and Dogecoin price prediction. More gains to come on horizon. So it was from Newsroom Post. So again, more of a this is actually an article that is, this one is developed over in India. And so New Delhi did mention, if you guys see here, because you guys know that India with the whole relief fund, especially when it comes to Shiba Inu, we have a lot of people who are backing this cryptocurrency in India. They have billions of dollars worth of SHIB just solely in one country, being again right around the New Delhi area. So Dogecoin and Shiba Inu prices witnessed a steep sell-off after a good upward rally over the weekend. So we saw Shiba Inu go all the way to 870 Satoshi units, and we were well on our way to take down a zero. But then we did see a sell-off, and they said at the time of the article being published, Dogecoin and SHIB, again, two tokens that are very closely paired to one another, was at 763 Satoshi units, and then Dogecoin was nearly 25 cents. So the question is, what's next? When will we start seeing another rally? So they say here Doge and SHIB prices are comparatively higher than they were in July, of course, jumped almost 20% as we know. And then they mentioned a couple other things regarding Bitcoin's price action, because we know the market follows Bitcoin. So Bitcoin is rallying, typically speaking, altcoins follow. Sometimes altcoins, and oftentimes they will outpace Bitcoin because of the fact that they're more volatile, smaller market cap with more upside potential, which excites retail investors especially. The institutional investors, they're more into those bigger cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, maybe even Cardano in the mix. But hopefully one of those will be SHIB very, very soon. So the thing that we are looking forward to right now is the key data to watch will be Coinbase global earnings. So Coinbase, as you guys know, they did a direct listing. They became a publicly traded company earlier this year. Hasn't even been over a couple months at this point now. So today, or actually sometime this week, they are going to be announcing their earnings report. So anytime anything to do with cryptocurrency does well, especially if it's Coinbase, the #1 brokerage that is used with 56 million users. Once they announce earnings and they beat expectations, that's going to be, another driver and another catalyst to start getting investors maybe into Coinbase, which will then have them eyeing other crypto assets, including Bitcoin and Ethereum. And as we see buying pressure in those two, we'll probably see buying pressure outside of those, including things like Dogecoin and maybe even Shiba Inu. So it is expected that the company will record a revenue of more than $2.3 billion for the previous quarter. $2.3 billion, guys. That is absolutely insane. It is also expected that its earnings per share can rise up to $2.2. So keep your eyes out for the earnings report. If they somehow don't beat expectations, or at least meet expectations, then we can maybe expect a little bit of a sell-off, which again, for me, when they panic, we pounce, of course. And again, they say here, as we read these signs, we can possibly say that we are now in a new bullish cycle, and there's a possibility that these coins will keep rising. So we know right now for Bitcoin, it is trying to test higher lows, of course, and hopefully we're going to start seeing higher highs as well. In terms of all-time highs, again, we're not that far away. Probably a 35-40% upside from where we're at now. We'll actually go back to that $64,000 mark. And to meet the expectations following the stock to flow model by the end of the year, we need to see Bitcoin rally to $100,000 per coin by the end of 2021. So we're talking in the next 4 months. There's plenty of time. plenty of room for growth, and I'm excited for every single day along the way, especially because if Bitcoin does well, the overall market cap and the overall cryptocurrency market's also going to rally, and Shiba Inu is no different there. So again, hoping to see all-time highs for SHIB, probably in the next few weeks, waiting for that Coinbase Pro listing, then Coinbase listing patiently as soon as they announced it, because we know the institutional platform is now live. So now all we're waiting for is to see SHIB also listed on Coinbase, to hopefully have more users that have the eligibility and access that we're looking for to buy SHIB. So thank you all so much for tuning in today. A really short video for this one, but I appreciate everybody's love and support. And until next time, everybody, keep investing. Peace.